Okay, it's time to break our Immaculate for the Box Breakers group. And I'll read the teams out again. There were a few trades, but in the end, Stephen Oliphant has the Jets, Daniel Schilling the Eagles, Joanne Burton the Bills, Marco Volpe the Chiefs, Phil Appleby the Bucks. I've got Titans, Woz has Vikings, Ben Rutter has Patriots, Will Leet has Rams, Dave Danby has Jags, Alex Allen has Bengals, Graham Redfern Chargers, Dave Yates Browns, Ben Townsend Giants, Chris Balding Falcons, Sam Gombar Lions, Steve Kerno Redskins, Stephen Logan Panthers, Gavin Burton 49ers, Andy Goodchild Seahawks, Max Oliver Dolphins, Lauren Draper with Bears, Scott Webster Saints, David Ovenstone Packers, Jackson Day Steelers, Tim Summerhays Ravens, Ali Remis Broncos, Joe Clay Colts, Daniel Bell Cardinals, Richard Melody Texans, Joanne Farmer has Raiders, and Remco has the Cowboys. So, good luck everyone. Hopefully somebody will get something nice out of the 2015 Immaculate. So, tin as usual. Take it off. Take the mini box out. Put the lid on. Right, so here we go. Okay, so the box is sealed. One gone. Two gone. Okay, so we'll take the cards out. There's the box. Don't know what sequence these will come out in, so we'll just go with it one at a time. Okay, so top card is a numbered base, and it is Tony Romo, numbered 23 out of 25. Numbered base Tony Romo is the first card out. So that's a Cowboys card. So Cowboys was Remco. Next one. Next one is worked out well for trading. Graham Redfern, this is who you were after, I believe. Melvin Gordon, Jumbo Patch 4 of 49. 4 of 49, Melvin Gordon Jumbo Patch. I believe that's the player you're after from Wisconsin, Graham. So that worked out well for you. Nice numbered jersey. Right. The next one also worked out well for someone trading. It is not a very good corner, but numbered 3 of 5 logo glove patch Mike Davis for the 49ers. For Gavin, who traded for his team. 3 of 5. It's got corner up there is just a little bit nicked. But 3 of 5 Mike Davis. Nice looking card, thick card with the logo of the gloves. Immaculate gloves. Okay, next one. Next one's going to have to be random. We have got, who's got? So we have got the card is a dual jersey, Duke Johnson, the Browns, and Philip Dorsett of the Colts. So Colts are with Joe, and the Browns are with Dave Yates. So that one will get random between you guys, which I'll get done either tonight or tomorrow. And the next one, double hits for somebody who's traded. Number 23 of 75 for the 49ers, Dwight Clark, on-card auto and two-color jersey swatch. '23 of 75, nice card. Two awesome 49ers hits for Gavin. Very nice. And the last card, it's another auto jersey, and it is going to, I think, did these try and get traded away? I think they probably got offered, but nobody took them up. It is numbered 99 of 99, Daniel Schilling with the Eagles, Nelson Aguilar, rookie auto jersey, 99 of 99. So there you go. We had a Romo base, and then we had Melvin Gordon, Mike Davis, the dual jersey, Dwight Clark, and Nelson Aguilar. So that is the Immaculate. All empty tin, empty box. So great to see those cards, some nice cards there. So thanks again, guys. And we're not far off doing the next one. So we're already into the month, so we can start thinking about the next one. Thanks again.